Company Havildar Major Piru Singh Shekhawat was martyred on July 18, 1948 during the Indo-Pakistani War. Born on May 28, 1918 in Rajasthan, he served in the 6th Rajputana Rifles of the Indian Army. Tasked with capturing a Pakistani post in Titwal, Jammu and Kashmir, he fought bravely despite heavy casualties and being severely injured. Piru Singh single-handedly attacked enemy positions, killing 6 Pakistanis and capturing 2 posts before being shot in the head while advancing towards the 3rd. For his valor, he was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra in 1952, the first for the Rajputana Rifles. An island in the Andaman Nicobar has been named Piru in his honor by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Shankaracharya Sri Jayendra Saraswati, born on July 18, 1935 in Tamil Nadu, was the 69th Shankaracharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peeth in Kanchipuram. Renowned for his Vedic knowledge, he expanded the monastery's activities towards social welfare, focusing on education and health for Dalits. In 1983, he named Shankar Vijayendra Saraswati as his successor. Despite his contributions, he was arrested in a murder case but was acquitted in 2013 due to lack of evidence. Many believe his arrest was a conspiracy. Jayendra Saraswati passed away on February 28, 2018 at the age of 82. On July 18, 1947, the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act, leading to the independence of India and the creation of Pakistan. India gained independence on August 15, 1947, while Pakistan was formed a day earlier on August 14. The partition led to horrific violence, with millions losing their lives in riots, especially affecting Bengal and Punjab. The aftermath saw 3 wars between the two nations and ongoing Pakistan-backed terrorism. The partition remains a dark chapter in the history, shaping the fraught relations between India and Pakistan. Smriti Mandhana, a star player of the Indian women's cricket team, celebrates her 28th birthday today. Born on July 18, 1996 in Mumbai, the left-handed batter is the highest run scorer in a 3-match bilateral ODI series. She debuted in T20 at the age of 17 against Bangladesh. In 2019, she was listed in Forbes' 100 highest earning people with earnings of around rupees 2.85 crore. Currently, her net worth exceeds rupees 33 crore. Smriti endorses several brands including Bata, Red Bull, Hero MotoCorp, OnePulse, Garnier and Hyundai Motor Company.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Nelson Mandela, born on July 18, 1918 in South Africa, became a global symbol of the fight against apartheid. Elected as South Africa's first black president on May 10, 1994, he marked the end of white minority rule. Mandela's leadership brought democratic elections and international acclaim, with representatives from 140 countries attending his inauguration in Pretoria. His commitment to justice resonated worldwide, earning him India's Bharat Ratna in 1990 and the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Mandela passed away on December 5, 2013, leaving a lasting legacy of resilience and reconciliation. On July 18, 1925, Adolf Hitler's autobiography Mein Kampf was first published. Written while he was imprisoned for treason, Hitler used the book to propagate his racial and anti-Semitic ideologies. He blamed Jews for Germany's perceived weakness and advocated for their persecution. Upon resuming power in 1933, Hitler's regime systematically executed about 6 million Jews, including 1.5 million children, in the Holocaust. His actions also sparked the Second World War, leading to widespread devastation. Hitler died by suicide in Berlin on April 30, 1945, as Germany faced defeat. His legacy remains a stark reminder of the horrors of extremism and genocide. Intel Corporation, founded on July 18, 1968 in Santa Clara, California, is renowned globally for its semiconductor circuits and pioneering role in the microprocessors. Established by American engineers Sir Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, Intel initially produced 12 processors for the Nippon Computing Machine's printing calculator. This marked the beginning of Intel's significant contributions to technology and its pivotal role in shaping the computing industry. Headquartered in Silicon Valley, Intel continues to lead innovations in semiconductor technology and computing solutions worldwide.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.